Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stocks of Us, and this is a special video for the pharma sectors and what I am watching from the past 1 year. So let's detail briefly and explaining my view on that four stocks what I'm holding, and I already bought in that lower level of the last week. So let's talk about that. And before we get into that analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line what I have written. So let's move on to our. First of all, I need to explain about that and my wave count on that Nifty Pharma. So one impulsive wave is got completed, whether it is a or one, and this correction is, you know very well about that B or two. After that, here it's looking like a very impulsive wave, so this whole thing becomes a 1 in the leading diagonal formation. Later onwards is the 2, it's a three-way structure, and we are in the third wave. In that also it looks like one wave is completed and second wave is also completed, and it is getting ready for that to shoot again. Nearly I'm expecting that 15,500 zone here. Whether we didn't know whether how it is going to make that third wave. So whether this is a complication of the whole thing becomes a wave 1 as a leading diagonal like this kind of wave formation. Later onwards it can do like this. So this is the one possibility I'm expecting, but anyway I'm looking for this 15,700 zone in that Nifty Pharma. So just I will clear this 1 second. Yeah, and later onwards the what is the next means this whole thing becomes a wave 1, this is the wave 2, and we are in the third wave. Its extension we know about that. The third wave has got also the 5-way structure, so in that this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, and we are in that third wave extension of the third, fourth and fifth. So in this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, this is the wave 3, and later onwards the bigger 4 in play, and one more 5-way in the 5-way structure for the fifth wave to complete. So anyway I'm looking for, my target is nearly 22,000. See, this is all weekly chart what I am explaining here, and it is already broken the previous high also here. So, and it is so impulsive and it is not looking like a three-way structure. So only I'm expecting, and with the conclusion of this, what I am explaining in that Sunpharma, my view, and this is the Sunpharma, and I already shared my view in my Telegram channel as well as in social media. You just go through that. Otherwise, I won't sharing my view about the stocks in trading view, because I need a lot of market commentary. I need to do that. That is why I didn't done anything, and I'm already doing that in forex. So I'm not going to do that homework in that trading view to return all the details about that. So just for the information, it's a wave 1 is already completed, because in from here also, from the last year also, I keep on watching this wave 1, wave 2, and I already booked the profit here, and then again it looks like a 5-way structure. Later onwards also I'm looking for the bigger 3-way structure, and it didn't done, and again it is doing that impulsive wave. So as of now I already bought at nearly 765 here, and I already informed that also in my weekly videos as well as. So it's looking like if it ended here, if it is a 1 2 3 4 5, but see I'm expecting that, that's it. Whether it can shoot from here also, and then later onwards this become an invalid also, that this kind of triangle. If you go through that in the daily 1 2 3 4, I'm expecting here and one more down, but it's already broken the high. So that means this is got invalid, or this triangle may be like this also, A B C D E, and this is the impulsive wave now. So later onwards, once the fifth wave is around 850, and again I'm expecting the bigger third wave. Sorry, the three-way structures for the second wave, and it will keep shooting like that only I'm expecting. And here also, how it came down in the correction part, nearly hardly around from that 2015, and it's ended at 2020 March. So the 5 years of a correction, it's only for the accumulating. In my view, it is going to break this high. Either this could be a wave 1 or a B, this one, or B or 2, and I'm looking only for that C or that third wave. So in that also, it's looking like a leading diagonal, and with that very 2 is very a little. So I'm expecting only this bullish scenario only in this Sunpharma. So let's move on to the next one is Lupin. Here, see, this is my view that bigger one impulsive wave, and later onwards, this is one second, yeah, this is the A, this is the B, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4, and the 5 is already completed in the three-way structure. So later onwards, now it is looking like one impulsive wave is already did, and here also an impulsive wave, and here it's a three-way structure. Later onwards is looking like another three-way structure it did. So whether this is one three-way structure, A, B, C, and if it is in a flat correction like that, here, so whether this could be a W, one second, yeah, this is the W, X, Y is got completed, and this is the either wave 1 and wave 2, and I am expecting for the wave 3. So in that case, if it is in complex also, I am looking for this zone to reach. Whether this could be a or B or C, I am expecting, or this could be if it is an A or B, or this is a 1 or 2, I'm expecting that C or third way to break the high next target. See, all the pharma sectors I'm looking like that only. So one has already ended, Sunpharma, Lupin. So what is the next? It's a Star Pharma, Strides. Here it's Stride Pharma. This is also the same, looking like 1, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is got completed. Later onwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is completed. And now A, B, C is A, B, and C. It's looking like that. So maybe one or one more down is also possible. And I'm analyzing, and I'm keep investing in this only in the weekly chart. Try to understand that it's a weekly chart. So I'm expecting either this could be a 1 or A. So B or 2. Whether this is already got ended here or it's a one more way is also possible. And I'm looking for this to break this high, and first need to break this high, and again this one, the historic high. So this is my view in strides, and I will just clear all those things. I will look into the daily here also. Somewhat I am looking this as an one impulsive is got completed, that three-way structure. So maybe it could be one more down is also possible, or this is the end of the trend. See, if you need to catch almost the top or bottom, it could be, but we can. But sometimes what it will happen, no, we are little bit confused, and okay, it's one more way is already there, and the fourth way is complete. It's doing like that, so it will be very complicated to catch that the fourth wave and the fifth wave. Once it broke this low, and we may buy. If you think like that, from here itself it can shoot. So because we are doing the investing purposes, just I splitted my entry, and I already given that entry at 585. and I'm looking for that one more low if it is possible. If it is comes to near the 500 to 520 zone, I again partially I will buy and looking for this target, what I explained in that. So the one is Sunpharma, Lupin, and Star. What is the next? It's a Glenmark. Here also it's the impulsive wave, and here I confused a lot. I thought it will break this like this, and I'm expecting to buy, but I missed the whole thing here in this format. And keep on watching this. Exactly, I'm looking to the downside in the 5-way structure. It did now. So here also what I'm suggesting here is it could be one more low also possible, but I'm expecting the one more high. So what is the here I'm looking here is this one is a A. So A, B, and C, and this is the C. So this is all it's looking like if you kept this as an Fibonacci retracement, it is exactly at the 1618, and again it came down. So whether this is a valid or invalid, I'm not going to talk about that, but in my view this is going to shoot. So here it's a daily. Look at this one here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, somewhat the 5-way structure is got completed here. So that is A. This is the B, and C is an A, B, and C. So this is the zigzag correction. It's already did. So zigzag will happen only in that second wave. So if we kept this as a second wave, or it could be a B wave, anything. So this could be a W or X. Now A or B, and I'm looking for that C wave. So C wave first target is it is going to break this one. That is definitely sure. But either this could be a B, and C means if it breaks like this and later onwards it is going to make a one more 5-way structure. So that whole thing becomes A and one more B and then C. It could be like this also, or from here also it's a B and C. The 5-way structures can go above the high also. So these are all the stocks what I watched and just I shared, but I am in that and I already invested in that partially everything. So looking for this kind of targets in the weekly, and this is the investing purposes, and don't blindly follow me. So this is all I'm education purpose. I'm sharing my knowledge, and I already shared a lot of things in my Telegram channels to learn about the lot of people that are asking about the Elliott waves and how it works. And I'm an example, clear example for that, and I'm showing all everything. It is in that front page. You can go through that, and for forex you can just check in all my profile, and it's everything. It's going great. So I suggesting to be in the right education with the right path, and you have to believe your strategy, go deep in one strategy and master it in one. That's it. So these are all my investing what I showed here. It's all I shared everything, and I'm keep on sharing all the my in my view through the Elliott waves. So and the Nifty is also perfectly it is doing in the Nifty pre-market predictions, everything it is doing as per our analysis. So just keep watching those things and enjoy that aha moment. You can feel that. So if anything interesting, I will keep updating in one more special video for any sectors like that, like how I found this as a in pharma sector. So it could be a great for everybody, sharing our knowledge, and you can learn also. So that's it from this special video, and we will see you today evening in that Nifty predictions, pre-market predictions. So hope you enjoyed, and for the lovely month end, and tomorrow is a lovely month end. So I hope you everybody is did a good profit this month. That's it. We will see you in this another special video. Have a nice day. Bye.